Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation on the project Box Transfer Machine. We are Team 8 from N section of 3 members Vijay Shankar Vara, Santosh Reddy and Basan Gauda Patil. Our guide for this project was Miss Rajeshwari M. The problem definition for our project was to design a machine to transfer the box using the conveyor belt with adjustable speed along with the indicators for on and off of the machine where the boxes are kept manually on the conveyor belt. The machine should automatically turn on if there are boxes at the starting point of the conveyor belt and a LED which blinks for every box transferred to the final destination. The machine must also be user friendly.
Generated concepts. First concept. It transfer the box from one position to the other horizontally using conveyor belt. Second concept. It transfer the box horizontally and vertically. Third concept. It transfer the box by lifting it from its base through the fork. All three designs are compared using per chart. Objectives like safety, cost, portability, ease of standard parts are considered to assign score to each individual design. Selected concept. After calculating overall score assigned to each individual design, the one with highest score, that is, first concept, is selected. Now let's look into modeling and simulation. 3D model of the selected concept. It consists of conveyor belt, box to be transferred, sensor housing unit, motor holding unit and frame which supports the entire structure. Let us see it through different angles. Boxes are placed manually over the conveyor belt. When the machine is switched on, the conveyor belt, which is driven by the motor, starts rotating, as a result of which the box starts moving. At the end, the box reaches the other end of the machine. Let us understand its working more clearly with help of an animation. As soon as the machine switches on, the conveyor belt starts rotating and the box starts moving and the box reaches the other end of the machine.
Now let us look into the circuit simulation. This is a circuit for the entire system of box transfer machine. For the operation of the machine, we have used Arduino Uno R3 over here, and to sense the box at the starting and the finishing end of the machine, we have used PIR sensors which detects the box. We have used potentiometer to adjust the speed of the belt, and yellow LED indicates the machine turn on or off, whereas the green LED blinks for every box that reaches the destination. So here's the simulation. The PIR sensor at the starting point senses the box and turns on the yellow LED and as well as the motor. Using the potentiometer, we can increase or decrease the speed of the motor, and when the box reaches the other end of the machine, this PIR sensor senses the box and the machine gets turned off and the yellow LED and green LED blinks once.
Learning from course project. From this engineering exploration course, we learnt about many softwares like Inventor Professional for 3D modeling, Tinkercad for circuit simulation, many other open source softwares and website for documentation on GitHub. We have also understood the importance of teamwork, importance of time and time management to solve societal problems by applying engineering skills, being patient and to have keen concentration while performing projects. Apart from theoretical knowledge, this course helped us to gain enormous practical knowledge.
Thank you everyone for watching our video. We hope you liked it. We as a team have put great efforts for making this project possible. So I would like to thank my teammates and also our guide Rajeshwari Madam who helped us throughout our project. Thank you everyone.